KRA are up to something. What it is, we don't know. But if this DeBrun character is telling the truth, the man leading these private military contractors does.
Which means we need to get to him before they do.
Exactly.
Unfortunately, the KRA are already on their way to the port facility where these contractors have set up shop, and they're intent on wiping them out. So time is a factor.
We'll insert by boat, here. Then make our way through this container facility and into the main PMC compound, clearing out any KRA we find along the way. Our key objective is getting to the PMC commander, this guy Rawlins, before he and his men are overrun. To do that, we'll have to move fast and engage the enemy at every opportunity. Just remember, neither side knows we're crashing the party.
Or who we are, for that matter.
So watch your step.
Эй! Тут парковаться запрещено! Это частная собственность! Поворачивай!
Nice work.
From what Toro and I can see, the KRA are swarming all over this place. So let's be sharp. SOB never saw it coming.
Не дождусь, когда исчезнет эта недоделанная страна.
Ты и правда думаешь, что получится вернуть Каратвию России?
Надеюсь. Мы слишком далеко зашли, отступать нельзя.
Let's move. Copy. Forming up. Tango down. Let's clear it out. Copy that. Going in. Enemy spotted. Got him. I'm taking fire. Gotta engage. Got him. Trying to regain visual. Moving to catch up. Reloading. Dead ahead. All right, take a look. Roger, breaching the door. Taking fire. I'm going hot. Tango neutralized. Kill him. Firing on target. Sorry, can't do that. Form up. Copy. Forming up. Target down. Taking fire. Going hot. Target down. Switching mag. Move. Roger that. Moving up.
Those PMCs are outnumbered and on the run.
They're headed for that building on the right. Must be their command center.
Yeah, they'll be lucky if they make it that far. They're getting slaughtered down there.
Let's buy him enough time to get inside.
I'm hit! I stopped the breach. It's gonna be fine.
Reloading. Got it.
I'm hit!
Thanks, man. I'm all right.
You're not dead yet. Come on.
Thanks.
Form up. Following your lead. Hostile dead ahead. Take that position. Taking position. Form up.
Remember, these guys don't know we're fighting on their side. Stay out of their field of fire.
Roger that.
Roger that.
Taking fire. I'm going hot. Reloading. Switching mag. Target spotted. Taking fire. I'm going hot. Tagged him.
Вижу врага! Все сюда!
Hostile. Dead ahead. Fire at will. Take that position. Taking position. Reloading. Got him. Move. Heading there now. Hostile dead ahead.
KRA are really laying siege to that command center.
You gotta wonder how long those Talon guys can hold out.
Hey, all right, get inside that building,
It'll be a bloodbath, I know.
and we'll lose our chance of finding out exactly what they're up to.
Come on, let's hurry up.
Get over there. Moving out. Head to the neutralize. Switching back. Reloading.
Need some help over here! fine.
Feels a hell of a lot better.
Need some help over here. Shit, I'm hit.
Switching back. Tango neutralized. Reloading. Target down. Hostile eliminated. Fall in. Copy. Forming up.
Oh, go to hell, you...
Easy, we're here to help. DeBrun sent us.
You need to help them. The KRA breached our defenses. There were too many of them.
Where's everyone holed up?
Downstairs. In the basement. But you need to hurry. You...
Let's get downstairs and find the commander of this outfit.
Jesus Christ!
Where are they all coming from?
They're determined, I'll give them that!
Clear these guys out. We need to get downstairs.
Got a visual. Returning enemy fire. Attack. Got him. Reloading. Switching back. Hostile eliminated. Got one in my sight.
Вижу врага!
I'm taking fire. Got to engage. Reloading. If it moves, shooting. Switching back. I can't reach that area. Take up that position. Moving. Tango sighted. Fall in. Following your lead.
Lone Star. I knew I recognized that name.
Sandman.
You know this guy?
Yeah, name's Tate Rollins. Used to work with him. He was a SEAL before he was dishonorably discharged.
It was an other than honorable discharge, and that was a long time ago.
And now what? You working for the other side? The highest bidder?
Everything's still black and white for you, isn't it? You know as well as I do, it's not that simple.
Listen,
Commander Brun, you said you broke your contract with the KRA.
That's right.
Why?
I discovered they were trying to acquire a WMD, a chemical weapon of some kind. When I confronted them about it, they said they wanted to send a message to the West regarding Karatvia, its future. I told them that under those circumstances, me and my men could no longer continue working for them.
You had a crisis of conscience?
I wouldn't say that exactly. but I don't work for terrorists.
I hate to break up the party, but,
Right. We should go. We have a boat waiting.